In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an About page on Squarespace 7.1 using the Fluid engine. Whether you're launching a new website or revamping an existing one, having a compelling About page is essential. It's a space where visitors get to know more about you or your business, building trust and engagement. Let's dive right into the steps to create a captivating About page that reflects who you are. First things first. Go ahead and open up Squarespace. Make sure that you're logged into your account. This is crucial because all the customizations and changes you'll make need to be applied to your specific profile and site setup. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your home page. Here, things can sometimes get a little bit crowded, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Take your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll find your profile icon there. Give that a click. Now, what this does is it helps you select the specific website that you want to work on, especially if you manage multiple sites from the same account. Pick the website you have in mind to get started. Once you've selected the right website, it's time to navigate to the Pages section. This is the creative hub where all your website's content lives. Click on Pages to open up the navigation settings. Here, where it says Main Navigation, you'll notice a plus icon right next to it. This plus icon is your gateway to adding new pages. Click it to begin building your new About page. A menu will pop up presenting you with different options to choose from. Select Page Layouts. This is a helpful feature Squarespace offers, providing you with various pre-designed templates. We're aiming for something that corresponds with the essence of your website, so go ahead and click About. Now you have a range of different layouts and styles presented to you. Choose a layout that conveys the message and aesthetic you're going for. Once you've picked a layout that resonates with you, it's time to put your own spin on it. Here, you can enter the title you'd like for your About page, such as About Us or simply About Me, depending on your focus. After naming your page, you'll want to click Edit to start customizing the content. This part is where your creativity gets to shine. You can modify text boxes, add imagery that tells your story, and ensure the tone and style harmonize with your overall brand. Remember, authenticity is key here. Your visitors want to see the real you. Once you're satisfied with all the tweaks and changes, make sure to click Save. This will ensure all your hard work is preserved and displayed on the website. There you have it. You now know how to create a personalized and engaging About page on Squarespace 7.1 using the Fluid engine. Don't underestimate this section of your website. It's a valuable space for connection and transparency. Thanks for following along and happy designing.